Did you know that e-commerce sales are expected to hit $6.98 trillion by the end of this year? That's nearly a quarter of all global retail sales. But here's the kicker. Businesses that leverage advanced analytics tools like Google Analytics 4, GA4, outperform their competitors by up to 30% in revenue growth. Today, we're diving deep into how GA4 is revolutionizing e-commerce analytics and helping your businesses thrive in this competitive landscape. Welcome to my channel. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, marketer, or data enthusiast, you've probably heard the buzz around Google Analytics 4, or GA4. But what makes it so special? Unlike its predecessor, Universal Analytics, GA4 is designed for the future, offering AI-powered insights, privacy-first tracking, and a deeper understanding of your customer journey. Whether you run a Shopify store or manage a multi-channel e-commerce empire, GA4 is the ultimate tool for making smarter, data-driven decisions. To fully appreciate why GA4 is a game-changer, let's first examine the challenges businesses have faced with traditional analytics tools. While traditional analytics tools have served businesses for years, they often fail to address the complexities of modern e-commerce. Imagine running ads on Facebook, Google, and TikTok while selling on Shopify and Amazon. With GDPR and CCPA tightening data collection rules, businesses have struggled to maintain accurate tracking without violating privacy laws. Traditional tools could tell you what happened, but rarely why it happened, or what might happen next. This reactive approach left businesses playing catch-up instead of staying ahead. Older analytics tools often failed to unify this data into a single view. This made it nearly impossible to understand your customer's true journey. Universal Analytics often fell short in adapting to these changes. For instance, Dermacare Direct faced issues with inaccurate tracking across multiple domains using Universal Analytics. After implementing GA4 through Google Tag Manager, they achieved precise cross-domain tracking and boosted their conversion rates by optimizing their campaigns based on accurate data. So how does GA4 solve these problems? Let's explore its groundbreaking features. We are going to dive into GA4's features with real examples and practical applications. 1. Enhanced measurement capability. GA4 automatically tracks events like page views, scrolls, clicks, and purchases without requiring extensive manual setup. For example, HI Hostels Canada used GA4's enhanced measurement to track reservations more accurately and optimize their budgeting strategy. But that's just scratching the surface. Let's talk about AI-powered insights. 2. AI-powered predictive analytics. 4 predicts metrics like purchase probability and churn rates. Imagine knowing which customers are most likely to buy again in the next 30 days. A clothing retailer used this feature to launch targeted campaigns that increased repeat purchases by 20%. Now let's address one of the biggest concerns in today's digital world: privacy compliance. 3. Privacy-centric data collection. GA4 uses advanced consent modes and server-side tagging to ensure compliance with GDPR and CCPA while maintaining data accuracy. This means you can collect actionable insights without compromising user trust. And what about understanding your customer journey across platforms? 4. Unified cross-platform reporting, or integrates website and app data into a single view, giving you a holistic understanding of your customer journey. For example, mycardirect.com eliminated duplicate event tracking across platforms using GA4, enabling their marketing team to optimize ad spend confidently. 5. Funnel exploration reports. One of my favorite features is funnel exploration. It visually maps out your customer's journey, from landing on your site to completing a purchase, highlighting drop-off points along the way. These features aren't just theoretical, they're driving real results for businesses worldwide. 1. Amazon, ASOS, and Shopify-powered stores. 1. What they did. These major e-commerce players utilized GA4's cross-platform tracking and enhanced user-centric data to optimize their user interfaces and improve the overall shopping experience. 2. Results. By visualizing the entire customer journey across multiple touchpoints, these companies identified pain points in the purchase process. 2. For instance, they streamlined checkout processes and personalized product recommendations based on user behavior insights. 3. Impact. Enhanced user satisfaction and increased conversion rates by addressing specific drop-off points in the sales funnel. 2. HI Hostels Canada. 1. What they did. Chai Hostels Canada set up GA4 to track e-commerce purchase events and create dashboards for budgeting strategies. 2. Results. By resolving event setup issues, they gained insights into reservations, customer behavior, and attribution paths. 3. Impact. Optimized budget allocation and improved reservation rates by focusing on high-performing channels. 3. Fondo Ambiente Italiano, FI. 1. What they did. FAI implemented advanced e-commerce tracking in GA4 to refine their advertising campaigns on Google Ads and Facebook Ads. 2. Results. By passing monetary values of conversions to ad platforms, they optimize their campaigns for higher impact. 3. Impact. Achieved a 128% increase in new memberships within 6 months, with a Christmas campaign alone driving a 55% year-over-year growth. 4. Bauer Media. 1. What they did. Bauer Media leveraged GA4's machine learning capabilities to analyze customer behavior patterns across platforms. 2. Results. Predictive insights helped them identify high-value customer segments for targeted campaigns. 3. Impact. Increased revenue without significantly raising advertising costs. Key takeaways from these examples. 1. Businesses are using GA4 to address challenges like fragmented data, inaccurate attribution, and incomplete customer journey insights. 2. Predictive analytics enables proactive decision-making, such as targeting high-value customers or reducing churn rates. 3. Advanced funnel analysis helps pinpoint bottlenecks in the user journey, leading to actionable UI/UX improvements. These examples demonstrate how GA4 empowers businesses to make smarter decisions through better data collection, analysis, and actionable insights, ultimately driving growth in competitive e-commerce markets. So how do you get started with GA4? Let me break it down for you. In summary, Google Analytics 4 isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of how we approach e-commerce analytics. Its AI-driven insights empower proactive decision-making, its privacy-first design ensures compliance, and its unified reporting provides a clearer picture of your customer journey than ever before. Key takeaways. 1. Use predictive analytics to anticipate customer behavior. 2. Leverage funnel exploration to identify conversion barriers. 3. Optimize ads spent with accurate attribution models. But don't just take my word for it. Start exploring GA4 yourself. If this video has inspired you to rethink your analytics strategy, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use GA4 for your business, or if you have any questions about getting started. And don't forget, check out my other videos on advanced analytics strategies for even more tips on growing your e-commerce business. Thanks for watching. Remember, data isn't just numbers, it's the key to unlocking your business's full potential. See you next time.